Hello guys, my name is Khushbu Jhawar and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my new e-learning app. The app name is KPJ Shikshan and it has a few courses recorded. Our only goal over here is to give you the best. For any doubts and queries, you can call on this number. Let's see how we can use this app and what is there in this app. So you just need to go into the Google and type in kpjshikshan.winyouall.com. and you will get this page and you can just click in the store. You can either log in. If you're new over here, you will get this registration page over here. You have to register yourself or log in. Then you have the store. Inside the store we have all these stuff. So here we have spoken Hindi, C++ programming, drawing, C programming, basic computer course, code Java, diploma, audio video editing, Microsoft Office, cloud accounting, Tally ERP9. All these courses are in a very good pricing. So let's just quickly click on diploma and professional accountancy and see what is there in this. So here you can see the description is there in this. Everything is given, lifetime access is there, and you can see each and everything in detail. Here you have MS Office, Tally ERP9, cloud accounting. So it's really good, and the whole package is in just 8,000 rupees. If you want to buy, you can just click on buy now button, and this is the payment option which we have, and you can just enter your details, phone number, email address, and give on next. If you have any coupon code, you can use that coupon code, or else you can just enter and verify yourself and directly make a payment and get the course. And you will get the access for watching all the videos. You can just watch the videos. So next we are going to click on Tally ERP9 and let's see what and all is there. In the description itself, everything has been given. Still again, if you have any doubts or if you want to see any notes, even that is there over here. You can see each and every video and notes, everything is there. You can see the notes column also over here. Advanced Tally also, lot of things are there. Tax also, they have TDS, TCS, GST, everything is there in the taxes also. So how you can enter all these things in Tally ERP9, everything has been given in detail, and it also has ratings. So this means that people have already bought these kind of courses and it's really good. So you can see all these courses are there, and next I'll show you what and all is there in the app. We'll go to home and contact. So here you can see, you can just leave a rating over here if you want the 5-star, and you can just comment something. When you click on submit review, you have to confirm everything and then you can give the ratings. Next what we have is get in touch. You can get in touch in this number, and email also has been given. If you have any queries, you can contact us. Here is our logo, and here we have professional courses. Again, we'll just go to the store, and once more I'll show you all the online courses are there. So all these things are really great. We have not yet uploaded any webinar or test series, admission fees, anything like that. Here we have a free book of MS Office. In future, a few more books will be uploaded, so we are just working on it. So this is a free MS Office ebook which we are giving in our app. You can just click on get now, fill up with your email or phone number, and you can buy the book. You can just click on share and copy the URL and share it to your friends also if you want. And next what we are going to see is how we can see this in Play Store. So we'll just go to Play Store and we'll just click on Google Play. And here we are going to type KPJ Shikshan. So here you can see, here we have our app, Fuzzy Technologies KPJ Shikshan. You can just click into that, and because it is installed already, we are getting this installed page. Now I'll show you in mobile how it looks. So I'll just go to the Play Store and I'll just type KPJ Shikshan. So I'll just click on this one, Fuzzy Technologies, and install this app. I'll open it. I'll just click on get started and I'll directly go with the store. If you want to register yourself or you want to log in, you can do that. Here are all the courses. I'll just click on show all and I'll show you what all courses are there. So these are all the courses which we saw in desktop application also. Same like that, you have mobile application also. You can just install the app and you can check out what all courses we have, what is the pricing, each and every detailed description, everything you can just check when you install the app itself. So here when I was recording this one, the course was 4,000, but now it is in 2,000. There are a lot of recommended courses also. You can check out these courses. If you want to buy, you can just click on buy now, just give your details and give next. And you can purchase the course. We have not yet uploaded any quiz till now. If you want to ask any doubt, you can just go and ask doubts over there. You can find friends, you can chat with them. So all these are the people who have already installed the app. If you have bought any course, it will show you over here. So you can just fill on all your information and you will get this page, and here you can just pay and buy the course. If you have any coupon code, just apply that. If you don't have, no problem. You can just give your contact details and you can proceed with the payment. All these are the payment option by which you can buy the course. And if you want, you can verify the state. If not, it's totally fine. It's just for verification. So when you install the application, you will get an OTP you have to submit for app verification. That is just for app security, so that no cookies should enter into your app. Okay, so no need to worry about all those things, and this app is very much secured and safe. And we have uploaded a few courses. In future also, a few more courses we are trying to upload. So this is it about KPJ Shikshan app, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to get any course or if you have any doubt, you can just contact us on this number. And that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever we upload a video over here. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Bye bye.